to Retrosmile.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
So, this next adventure, not a snow poncho, and I'm going on a water ride. River Rapids at Animal Kingdom. A ride I avoid, to be honest. But I'm going to brave it out. But hopefully I won't get too wet. Are you going to come and join me? Let's see if we can stay dry and get to the end of this ride without being soaked. We're getting wet.
Greetings, friends. There is some rough water ahead, so for a safe journey, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Olivia concerned about staying dry. This is fun. Are we staying dry? You guys on vacation?
We live here. I live here, yeah. My wife didn't want to go. She'd be sitting right there. She's probably the smart one.
You have to ask.
Yeah, we're going to stand still.
I go wet.
Yeah, you did get it.
Oh, I go wet.
You had a big camera there.
Yeah.
Schöner kann es nicht sein. Ein Tag wie morgen, keine Ahnung der Welt. Ein Tag wie morgen,
No, wait! That's it, I think.
Hey, let's go. Keep moving.
What like that? They'll love it, Dad. I am so
It wasn't too bad.
Anyway, at least so my feet are dry. This is why you always go Well, it is only fair, seeing somebody was squirting me, soaking me on that ride, straight of me. I'm going to return fire. Sorry guys, but it happened to me. Anyway guys, I'm soaking wet. Hopefully you've been smiling. I'll see you on the next ride review. Bye now.
Bye-bye.